All right, today I am going to show you how to enable Ask Siri for a Mac computer. All right, let's get started. All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to get to System Preferences. All right, let me get to there. System Preferences, and I'm going to find the Siri icon, which is located on the bottom of the screen on this particular computer. I'm just going to click on that, the Siri icon. And once in this window, I'm going to look around. I'm not able to access any of these features on the right hand side, and that's because I have not enabled Ask Siri. All right. So, to order to enable Ask Siri, I'm just going to click that. All right. And it says Siri sends information like your voice input, contacts, and local and location to Apple to process your request. All right. And so once that happens, I go ahead and press enable to enable. But let's check out the privacy. There's a privacy statement that you have to read through. Read through that and make sure you do that before enabling anything. All right, so once I've done that, I press enable, and look at that. There's a whole bunch of options for me to choose from, such as the language. Let's make it back to English. And you can change Siri's voice to be an American female if you'd like to, or whatever you want. Let me have Siri be an Irish female, like that. Pretty nice. All right. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks a lot for watching.